Happy Monday, 7th graders. It's Tacky Teresa the Tourist. It's so good to be back. Niagara Falls was a ball. Thanks for that information, for your recommendations. You guys are awesome. Well, I hear you just got done studying the Caribbean and Central America. I have lots of places on my bucket list in that area, so I need your help again. Hey, let's take a look at my bucket list. I've always wanted to go to the ruins of Tikal in Guatemala or Ambergris Key in Belize. The Panama Canal in Panama, that looks fascinating. Or the beautiful, mysterious Monte Verde cloud forest in Costa Rica. The fabulous Dun River Falls and Park in Jamaica. Old Havana in Cuba. Or the Bath National Park in the British Virgin Islands. Or the beautiful Thousand Steps Beach. Wouldn't that be fabulous? Well, what you can do is pick one of those. Which one floats your boat? What would you like to research for me? Pick one of those 8. Then you're going to make for me just one slide on that one place. And tell me about it. Here are some things you could research. You don't need to do all of these, but here are some ideas for you to research. A map would be good, a general description of the area, some specific geographic features, maybe a little bit about its history or things to do, interesting facts, ways that I could be an eco-tourist. So what are things that I could do educationally to learn about the area? Or how could I conserve nature? Are there things that I can do in nature? Are there places that I can stay that don't use electricity or very little electricity? What could I do to leave a little bit or little or no imprint as a tourist? Maybe there are some pictures that you could include. Any of those things would be great pieces of information for me, and it would help me decide. You need to give me the sources that you use so I can go to those websites too. So, could you shoot to include at least 5 solid facts about your place? And then 3 photos or maps or images. So 5 pieces of information and 3 visuals. And make sure it's colorful and readable. You know about capital letters. Your fabulous teacher, Mrs. Popma, she is a gem, isn't she? She told me you know all about how to capitalize. All right? So make it colorful, make it readable, hit spell check. That Mrs. Popma, she's fabulous. She told me that you know how to do spell check too. All right? Make sure that you use CARP sources. I would like solid information. So make sure it's current, it's authoritative, it's reliable and relevant, it's informational. You might need to get to some travel sites or encyclopedia sites, whatever informs you about that place. And make sure you post those sources on your slide. All right? So pick one place, give me 5 facts and 3 pictures about it so I can make up my mind. That fabulous Mrs. Popma is eager to answer your questions if you have any. So please contact her. She told me to tell you that there's a blank slide attached in Classroom for you to use. All right? Be great researchers, be great designers, have fun, do your best. Tacky Tourist Teresa, thanks you very much.